Hey everyone, my name is Nithin Rao and I'm the CEO and co-founder of SkySQL. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a new product we're developing called SkyCopilot. It's a game-changing AI assistant for the SkySQL cloud database. Now, modern cloud databases are fairly easy to provision, but keeping them healthy and optimized can be a real challenge. It often involves complex tasks and expensive resources, and it can be a real headache for developers and DBAs as well. And that's where SkyCopilot comes in. This secure, comprehensive AI assistant integrates seamlessly with SkySQL and allows you to harness the power of large language models for database operations. SkyCopilot is designed to help you at every stage of the database lifecycle, including things like management, diagnosing issues, optimization, etc. And not only that, but SkyCopilot allows you to chat with your own data and get valuable insights as well. It's kind of like having an expert DBA by your side 24/7. All right, let's dive into the demo. So the first thing you'll notice is that you have this option to select the conversation scope. So we can try Ask Me Anything, which is pretty self-explanatory, or DBA Assist, which is really about troubleshooting or performance tuning your own database, and Chat with your app data, which allows you to ask natural language questions of the data that's stored in your database for insights. So why don't we give DBA Assist a try? So we have a README where you can get various information, some example queries. Then we allow you to connect to your database. You can connect to a demo database or your own SkySQL database. And we'll make this process more seamless in the future. So for now, let's connect to a demo database. And let's give it a shot. Let's ask it a question. So let's see if we can use it to troubleshoot performance and find our slowest query. So sure enough, it gives us the slowest query in the database. It shows us the SQL. And it talks about why it's slow. So why don't we see if we can actually get it to help us optimize this? And there you have it. It gives you a much more optimized SQL for the query, and it actually talks about what it did to actually optimize it. So it can sort of teach you at the same time. All right, let's try another question. Let's see if we can get it to tell us about the health status of our database. All right, let's see. It's given us information about the processes that are running and about the InnoDB database engine status, various information, file, buffer pool, memory, etc. And overall, it looks like it's running smoothly. That's great, super helpful. Now let's take a closer look at some of this information. Let's say I don't know what some of the stuff means. It would be nice to just ask it the question. And see if it can teach me something. That's great. So it explains this and tells me why it's important. So super useful in both troubleshooting, checking the status of my database, managing it, optimizing performance, and even teaching me about the internals of the database. All right, one last example. Let's try chatting with our data this time. So we'll pick the Chat with your app data. We'll connect to the demo DB again. I'll select a database. And this is a database that's been preloaded with some generic sample data. And let's ask it a question. So show me my top 5 customers by order count. And just like that, it translates my natural language question into a SQL query that's then queried on the database. And I get a nice table with the answer that I wanted. Pretty powerful. So that's about all I wanted to show. And one thing I should mention is that this product has already saved our own SkySQL support team a ton of time. As we get tickets coming in from customers, we simply copy and paste the contents of those tickets into this tool, and more often than not, get the right answer or start down the right path. It's helped us tremendously. So maybe I'll conclude with a little bit about how SkyCopilot works. We leverage a sophisticated AI-powered engine consisting of agents along with retrieval augmented generation. And we utilize a wide range of data, including database system tables, schemas, metadata, metrics, documentation, knowledge bases, and more. And this allows it to provide knowledgeable, context-aware assistance wherever you need it. That's it for the demo. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.